Seen those flashy ads for Tile Crush Connect claiming you can earn real cash just by matching tiles? Sounds like easy money, but is it actually legit or just another tap and trap app? Quick disclaimer, this review is based on public information and personal opinion. Tile Crush Connect is a puzzle game on Google Play where you match tiles while supposedly earning real cash. It shows dollar signs and payout bars as you play, making it feel like a reward is right around the corner. What's sketchy is that Scam Advisor gives the linked site a low trust score, which is not a good sign. Google Play reviews reveal a common scam pattern. Users hit the payout threshold but never actually receive money. Often the cash out button disappears or users are forced to watch an endless loops of ads with no real payout. There's no clear company information, no support, and no verified proof that anyone has gotten paid. It follows the exact formula of other fake cash reward games: show fake progress, make users watch ad, and profit off attention without ever paying out. Tile Crush Connect is a real game, but the cash rewards are almost certainly fake. If you're playing for fun, go ahead. But if you're in it for real earnings, it's probably just another ad trap wasting your time. Try Tile Crush Connect? Got paid or played? Share your story in the comments. And if you want more honest reviews on viral apps, hit like and subscribe. See you in the next one.